My girl come check me. Pull up now the Benz and she pull up now the Bentley. Money so long she will living well healthy. If them ever this way, watch we send them to the cemetery. Dark side. Yeah, well, they don't know, so it's Red Lion, Godson, Dark Side, Family, Godson, Movements. And yeah, you hear me? Mr. and Mrs. Gold are the most favorite YouTube TV show we are logging, you hear me? Worldwide, we say the thing said, knock it, rock it.
2,000 gold, guys. Subscribe for a chance to win.
No.
Top prize. Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel family, M&MG, this one is for you. It's called the 2,000 gold draw. We're going to hold a special draw as soon as we hit 2,000 stubs, only for our loyal viewers, the ones who are with us day in and day out, the ones watching on the playback, active in our community tabs, the ones that watch us while they're at work or when they finish work, the ones that are watching us in different time zones. This one's for you. You're going to have a choice between cash or merch. So look out for that competition. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, your names will be added. We know who you are. Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and I just would like to say big up to all of our loyal supporters. I can't wait to give prizes away. Big up to our gold members. You guys know who you are. Thank you very much for your monthly contribution. It helps towards, motivating us to do videos and helping us with the time that we spend on these videos, because you know that we spend a lot of time with the editing. We just don't throw our videos and start just talking. We actually take the time out of our busy schedules to edit. And the reason why some of the videos are delayed and late is because we take our time. We just don't throw things out. So big up to those who contribute to our membership and the gold program. If you're interested in helping to support the channel, we'd appreciate it if you do join the gold membership program. So big up. Anyhow, I just like to say big up to Dancehall Queen Carlene. Dancehall Queen Carlene, you're such an amazing human being. You should have been at that Cardi B party. But either way, I contribute this video to you, and I did a video in your honor at the end of this video, just out of respect, because if it wasn't for you, Carlene, these people wouldn't even know how to dress at this party. Then big up to Cardi B. Cardi B, great vibes, great party. I was late with putting this video out because I wanted to show different perspectives of the party. I just didn't want to show the Jamaican people that attended the party or the American people that attended the party or this type of person or that. I want to show different angles, different viewpoints. Overall, the Passa Passa Cardi B party was a good look for dancehall. I am extremely proud. It's been a long time coming, and I'm extremely proud to see that, people are enjoying our culture and our music more and more. So big up Cardi B again. Big up to Offset, that was an amazing gift. It just goes to show you when people are thinking Offset's cheating or off doing something, here's the man doing things for his wife. His wife was even surprised. So when you guys get a chance, read what she wrote. I thought it was a great lesson in relationships to be patient. When you might think somebody is not paying attention, they really are. Kick back and enjoy the video.
All y'all bitches better fucking skin the fuck out. If not, you're getting fucking eliminated. I swear to God, I just want to have a good time. Because after
Shibbity wobbly, shibbity doubly, shibbity wibbly, bibbity 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 whoa.
What y'all think of the nose ring? Yes or no? Yes or no? Or is it too much with this? Yes, guys, I'm gonna change this piercing. I know it's long.
birthday. I know it's your day early, but just want to say happy birthday. How you doing?
For my birthday, I want a picture.
Oh, you always gonna have good pictures.
Happy birthday, dear Cardi. Angel hair pussy. This shit feel like angel hair pussy. Yeah, for the angel.
Wait, we gotta show them the name on the inside.
One this way. No. Cardi, behind you. Cardi this way.
Oh shit! Oh, wait, don't. Hold on, don't let me go, cause I took some wine. Oye, ¿qué te regaló hasta para tu cumpleaños? No sé, no sé todavía. Amor prohibido.
Our party at Passa Passa. But you need to space out of some of the people that Cardi B put dancehall in the air. Big up to you and your family. Yeah. Big up to the whole lot of love to this. You bring dancehall to the house step. What are they? Yeah. I don't want to go to my step yet. There. House step. amigos over there. Yeah. We come to start the party really.
I bought you a house in DR.
Yeah, the house with the say about the house on the island in DR, man. Yeah, nephew.
When it comes to dancehall, we're live on stage, Carlene the Dancehall Queen and Red Dragon.
Woman, away, get your body, make your body so good. Tell your body and sing. Whoa, nana. Carlene, come here, woman. And when you get your body, make your body get up. Move the body where you can be music and water. Hold down when you get your body, make your body in so. Move the body where you can be music and water. Hold down when you come here and your music come here. Me for no other man can't get you back. Me just sweet than a milk woman, just sweet than up. Me for woman, your body worth more than up. Me for more than time and more than early pretty yes, a woman never thinking of it. Well, and when you get your body, make your body get up. Go the body where you have music and water. Hold down when you get your body, make your body get up. Go the body where you have music and water. Good. One woman, you know say that you got anything when you so girl must get. Move someone up in your hand and you run the bed. You the lane and the street and so the avenue. You are anywhere you go and does not respect. You are when you get your body. Carlene, woman, now when you get your body, make your body get up. Go the body where you have music and water. Hold on when you get your body, make your body get up. Go the body where you have music and water. Bigger, love how you move, love how you pro. Woman, your body, it's a man. When your body feel it vibrate. All of you want your love is sexy. Whoa! Make your body, make your body get up. Go the body where you come, music and water. Hold on when you get your body, make your body get up. Go the body where you have music and water. Hold on when you come here for your music come here. Me for no other man can't get you back. Take your sweet and that and come on your sweet and back. Me for woman, your body ready for that back. Me for more than time and more than early pretty yes, a woman never thinking of it. Well, now when you get it, woman, now when you get it, woman, now Jesus.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share and like. Thanks.